We all have weaknesses. I know you're exhausted. You are feeling weak. That's okay. It's normal. God mentioned this to us a long time ago. You must accept that mankind was created weak. We can't be strong all the time. You will feel weak in some situations, defeated, on your knees, clenching your hands and asking yourself, why am I so weak? It's okay. Sometimes we are weak. Take time to accept your weakness. Don't deny it. However, keep in mind that while you are allowed to feel weak, you're not allowed to give in to your weakness. Stand up. Keep moving forward. Turn your weakness into a strength.